Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how to set a custom duration for your presentations on Canva. So let us jump right into it. Head over to Canva and let me apply one of these presentation templates from the Canva library just for the sake of this tutorial. One with multiple pages just like that. So click on apply all pages here. So guys, what you want to do after that is once you have finished customizing, editing each of your presentation pages, what you want to do is start with your first page of your presentation by clicking on it here in the bottom left corner on your timeline and simply click on duration below to set a custom duration for the given slide or page. So if I click on that play button here, the presentation will play. However, guys, as you can see, the default length or duration is 5 seconds. So you may simply adjust the duration for each of your slides just like that by left clicking on the page's right edge here and by moving it to the left or to the right to adjust or to find your custom duration. So let me set it at 3 seconds and here as well for the second slide and for the third one as well, and so on and so forth, guys. So if I click on that play button again and play the presentation in preview, you will see that the slide changes to the next one after 3 seconds with a transition like this. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you do it, and I'll see you next time.